Today, we'll be exploring 50 of the most common phrasal verbs in English, complete with example sentences to help you understand their meanings and usage. Get ready to expand your vocabulary and improve your English skills. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up when the teacher enters. Stand up when the teacher enters. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down and let's start the story. Sit down and let's start the story. Wake up. Wake up. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. Brush up. Brush up. I need to brush up on my spelling words. I need to brush up on my spelling words. Eat up. Eat up. Please eat up your vegetables. Please eat up your vegetables. Turn on. Turn on. Turn on the light, it's dark here. Turn on the light, it's dark here. Turn off. Turn off. Turn off the TV when you are done. Turn off the TV when you are done. Pick up. Pick up. Can you pick up the toys from the floor? Can you pick up the toys from the floor? Put down. Put down. Put down your book and listen. Put down your book and listen. Run out. Run out. We ran out of water, so we need more. We ran out of water, so we need more. Look up. Look up. Look up that word in the dictionary. Look up that word in the dictionary. Fly away. Fly away. The bird flew away when I got close. The bird flew away when I got close. Come back. Come back. Please come back after recess. Please come back after recess. Set up. Set up. Let's set up the tent. Let's set up the tent. Move on. Move on. Finish that page and move on to the next. Finish that page and move on to the next. Look after. Look after. I look after my little sister. I look after my little sister. Put on. Put on. Put on your coat, it's cold outside. Put on your coat, it's cold outside. Take off. Take off. Take off your shoes before going inside. Take off your shoes before going inside. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down and take a deep breath. Calm down and take a deep breath. Get along. Get along. I get along with my classmates. I get along with my classmates. Break down. Break down. The car broke down on the way to school. The car broke down on the way to school. Put away. Put away. Put away your toys after playing. Put away your toys after playing. Hand out. Hand out. The coach handed out new jerseys. The coach handed out new jerseys. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, I will be right back. Hold on, I will be right back. Find out. Find out. I want to find out more about planets. I want to find out more about planets. Dress up. Dress up. We dress up for Halloween every year. We dress up for Halloween every year. Makeup. Makeup. Let's make up a story together. Let's make up a story together. Call back. Call back. I will call back later when I am free. I will call back later when I am free. Show up. Show up. My friend showed up at my party. My friend showed up at my party. Look around. Look around. Let's look around the park. Let's look around the park. Give away. Give away. I will give away some old toys. I will give away some old toys. Hang up. Hang up. Please hang up your coat on the hook. Please hang up your coat on the hook. Take out. Take out. Take out your pencils for the quiz. Take out your pencils for the quiz. Get back. Get back. I will get back to you soon. I will get back to you soon. Run away. Run away. The cat ran away when I called it. The cat ran away when I called it. Cut down. Cut down. They cut down the old tree. They cut down the old tree. Pay back. Pay back. I will pay back the money I borrowed. I will pay back the money I borrowed. Breakdown. Breakdown. The computer broke down yesterday. The computer broke down yesterday. Put up. Put up. Put up the decorations for the party. Put up the decorations for the party. Take down. Take down. Take down the notes on the board. Take down the notes on the board. Give back. Give back. Give back the book you borrowed. Give back the book you borrowed. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.